Hello guys, those who didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Now we are going to see how to mount a smartphone in sports helmet. Sample video is placed in the end of the video, so kindly watch full video. You see a screw on helmet and then remove it. It is very cheap to make it. The project cost rupees under 200 only. You need to break the plastic part, otherwise you won't able to fix the mobile holder. Then screw sunshade cap. You can see a hole in the helmet. You don't want to make a new hole. This is perfect place for mobile holder. You need one big size screw, 2 bolts, 2 washers. Please check the size of your mobile holder thread. Into the screw, put 1 bolt and 1 washer, and pull tight the bolt. Now, you can see a hole clearly. Put the screw into hole. Into the screw, put 1 bolt and 1 washer, and pull tight the bolt. Now the screw get full tight. This is mobile holder, the product link in the description. You can use this holder for tripod and shoot like cinematic videos. Two screw mount designed for vertical and horizontal use. Tight the mobile mount into the screw and check whether it is full tight or not. Finally place the mobile in the holder. Here it is sample video which taken from this helmet. Full video link in the description. It successfully passed in the vibration test. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you on next video.